Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. Yeah, sometimes this does happen, especially with the microwave and all. You might have to put it on at least another 5 more minutes. But that's okay. Alright. Now, what you want to do, sorry about that. I'm going to wipe down the door to the microwave. Of course, you can always use the lemon water to clean it if you want to. That's a little trick that my mom taught me. And you guys can see that. I do apologize if you can't see it correctly, but I need both hands. Alright. Plus, you can always take a rag and put it into the water and lemon mixture if you want, and just trying to clean it off with that too. I know a lot of people clean up their microwaves differently, but I just want to show you guys this technique that my mom taught me. Alright. Wipe off the top. I know it's kind of hard to see on the top of the microwave sometimes. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hit you guys. Alright, alright, this is starting to look pretty good. There. My microwave looks clean. Really nice. Smells better too. And that's all that's left is this. Now, if you're still having trouble getting that off, just dump the rag into the lemon water, like I said earlier. I know it's still hot, but I like it when it's nice and warm. But you can always wait for it to cool down if you guys wish. I mean, everyone has their own opinions. I understand that. Look at that. There's one little spot here that I missed. I mean, look at that. Nice and clean. clean this little ring too. I mean, I cleaned up everything in the microwave. I mean, this should be clean too. Alright guys. Guys, doing it, that lemon water does smell good. There, guys. Another way to clean your microwave. First, you see me do it with vinegar and water, and now in today's video with lemon and water. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up. I'm sorry. All right. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up part 2. And if you like these 2-part videos, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. All right. Take care, guys. Bye. Love you.